My dear children of BHS Mandigam, I am your teacher Manzoor Ahmed, and today we shall discuss the question answers of the poem I Cannot Remember My Mother, written by Rabindranath Tagore. So I shall read question number 1 for you. What is the poet doing when he remembers his mother? तो शायर क्या कर रहे थे जब उनको अपनी माँ की याद आती है? The poet is happily playing with the toys as the memories of his mother overtake him, in the form of a sweet tune that seems to hover over his playthings. H-O-V-E-R, hover. Hover means to stay in one place in the air, usually by moving the wings quickly to make a continuous low sound. Question number 2 is, in what ways does the poet feel the presence of his mother? Its answer is, the poet senses his mother while he is playing happily with his toys. As the tune reaches his eardrums, which he takes as the humming of his mother while she is rocking his cradle. तो शायर जब अपने खिलौनों के साथ खेलता रहता है तो वो गुनगुनाने की आवाज़ उससे याद आती है जब उसकी माँ उसको सोते वक्त जब वो उसका वो क्रेडल या झूला जो है उसको झुलाती थी. Similarly, the fragrance of Shuli flowers remind him of his mother who would carry them to the temple for the morning service. इसी तरह से जब इसकी माँ शूली फ्लावर सुबह पूजा करने के लिए वो मंदिर जाती थी तो उन फूलों की खुशबू जो है उससे भी इसे अपनी माँ याद आती है. The poet recalls his mother very early in the morning when he looks into the open sky. From his bedroom window, he feels his mother calmly gazing into his eyes and onto his face. Now another question is, what does the poet hear when he is at play? So its answer is, the poet hears a sonorous tune while he is playing with his things, and that tune refreshes the feelings of his mother in him, as if she is crooning lullaby for him beside his cradle. Another question is, what word do we use for the cradle song? ये भी हमने पढ़ा. Its answer is, lullaby is the word, and the spelling of lullaby is L-U-L-L-A-B-Y. So cradle song के लिए कौन सा word शायर ने इस्तेमाल किया है? Lullaby. Another question is the poet's mother dead or alive? How do you come to know about it? तो सीधा सवाल है. The poet's mother has breathed her lost. It means कि वो जिंदा नहीं है. The title of the poem itself is a sufficient proof that the poet has no recollections of his mother. तो जो टाइटल पोइट इस पोइम का है वो प्रूफ है, वो सबूत है कि शायर जो है उनको अपनी जो माँ की शक्ल है या उसके बारे में उन्हें कोई रिकलेक्शन या कोई यादाश्त नहीं है. सो दिस इज ऑल फॉर टुडे.